Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, it's actually Monday the 21st December. But in that newspaper, there are no, there are no, there are no Monday December the 21st. There are no extra Sudokus, so no additional. So I've promised you do the rest of the Sudokus of Saturday. So Saturday we have left here Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars. Then we have 3 stars, 4 stars. This already solved. We have one tectonic left. The tectonic with 4 stars is already solved. Binary is solved, but the binary puzzle 2 is not solved, so there are left 4 Sudokus, and this one I will start will be a Sudoku with 1 star, and this one will be a number 2042. Yes, 2042. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one we have a 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 4 is 18, 20, 22, 22, 25 again. Let me check this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yes, 25. Wow. 25 again with the 25 with the 3 stars and 25 with the 4 stars. So the publisher has changed the printed digits. Normally the 1 star has 27. This one is 25, so it's supposed to be a 3 stars Sudoku. Anyway, so let's get started. Let me see. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And then 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for a 9 should be here. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 5, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And then in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. Here also a 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so on the row between. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. Here 9, no 9 there. Only 1 box left for the 9. Should be here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are in this column. The 3 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 3 and a 6, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. So one box left for the 8. Alright. Let me see. How about the number yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle, a row on a row above. Only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for a 2 should be there. Then we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the row, the last row, the only place for a 6 should be here. 1, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see there 9, no 9 in those two boxes. One box left for the 9, should be there. These two boxes are reserved for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those two numbers. Yeah. We have 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle rows and the row above. The only place for an 8 should be there. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see therefore no 4 in those two boxes. Therefore no 4 in these two boxes. One box left for the 4 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see therefore no 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So one of these two boxes is a 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle columns on the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number 8, 3, 9. How about this big square? Yeah. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those two boxes. There 3, no 3 in these two boxes. One box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 3. Yeah, then 3 missing numbers. Those numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 6, and the 7. 1, 6, 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this row, a 1 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So on the row above, only place for a 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 6 and 3. 6 and 3. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. One number left in this column for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 333 no 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So on the last row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. 1. Wait. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7. No, 1 and 8 missing. 1 and 8. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So I have marked those 2 boxes with a 1. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no 1s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column. Oh, those were the rows, yes. Alright, 1 box left. This should be the number 9, I believe. Yes, 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here we have 7 and 6 are missing in this big square. 7 and 6, we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this can't be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 3. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for an 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place for an 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 4. One number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 9. One box left in this column for the number 9, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. And I'm curious if that Sudoku has also 25 printed digits. Alright, so see you later. Bye bye for now.